Here's a great deal on a 2016 Ford F-250. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, heated door mirrors, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.